Hey everybody, Andrew and Elijah here. Welcome to Living the Northern Life. Today we're back out on the property and we have to cut a trail, or finish cutting the opening of that trail right through here. So we're gonna get the chainsaws, the weed eater going. We all have earmuffs on now. We got those replaced from our last episode. That was kind of funny. But Elijah's here. He's gonna give us a hand. We're gonna take all these trees and get rid of them, open this up, and then later on we're gonna get to delimbing some trees that we moved last year. Last year. Maybe 2 years ago actually, just before the driveway was put in. So we're gonna delimb those, see what kind of lumber we think that we can get out of there, and then maybe we'll go get Big Blue and get moving those and delimb them. And then of course we'll have to do something with the limbs.
Yeah.
Always something with moving limbs.
Oh yeah.
All right guys, let's go. Well, that sure is a big difference. Elijah's getting turned around here. Got a couple of stumps pulled down here. Oh, he's loading something up back there. Let's go give him a hand. Yeah, I gotta get rid of this big pile of crap here. Cut down this little stump right here. I guess this tree in the middle of the road's got to come out because it's right in the way. It's a nice ash tree. It's too bad. There, now you can see that the ATV's got some width in here. All right, so we're just at our back roundabout here. We're finishing up for today. But the tractor, we just made a roundabout here with the tractor today, and we know that it fits down the trail, but now we've got to extend this trail out. We don't have to do that anytime real soon because these are the poplars that we're going after, but we're going to take out the right side of the trail over here, and then there's a swamp back up there. I think we have some stuff here that we can just like push off the trail a little bit. There's some roots sticking out of the ground. You can see the camera shaking a little bit, so it's not ultra smooth. But again, we'll take out some of the stuff on the right hand side so the tractor can make it back here. And this pine tree, it's dead. Let me get a better shot of that. Yeah, it's dead. There's no green on it at all. So we're gonna take it down. The one across from it was dead too. So the tractor will push this guy out of the way after I cut it down. And now we're almost up to our little, it's not a creek, but it's a wetland. Not really a wetland. I don't know what to call it. Swamp maybe. And it's all full of ash in here. So yeah. And then just on the other side is where we're doing maple syrup. All right, guys. Well, the bugs are just killing us, and Elijah's allergies are really bad. You can see him sniffing and all that stuff. So we're going to call it quits here. We are an Amazon affiliate. If you click any of our Amazon links down below, we'll get a small commission from it if you buy anything within the next 24 hours. And if you're not a subscriber, we just ask that you hit that subscribe button, leave your comments down below. And until the next one,
keep living the Northern life.
thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.